for the camera too.
Okay, normally in our tradition, we prefer standing while speaking.
Okay.
So that our speech will stand as well. So permit me to stand. First of all, we want to thank you for the kola given to us, because that is our own tradition too. When you receive a visitor from elsewhere to your kingdom, the first thing to do is to present a kola, signifying that you welcome those people to your kingdom, and that is what we have just displayed. We appreciate that. We accept the kola in good faith, and I believe His Majesty will be very happy to receive the kola. It is a great privilege to us and honor to be in your midst in the office of revered office of the Commissioner of Police of Anambra State. It is not
Police Command, I, CP Ikioye Orutugu, FWC, I'm an IPS, PhD, present this plaque to your community.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
You get